5 real estate strategies that built my wealth. Did you know that 90% of millionaires built their wealth through real estate? I'm living proof of that. Investing in real estate changed my life, and today I'm sharing the 5 real estate strategies that help me build wealth, make passive income, and create financial freedom. Whether you're starting with $5,000 or $500,000, there's a strategy here for you. Stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can start investing in real estate today. Section 1, rental properties, the ultimate wealth builder. First up, rental properties. If you want steady cash flow every month, rental properties are the way to go. You buy a house or apartment, rent it out, and boom, you're making money while you sleep. Here's how I started. 1. I bought a small single-family home for $150,000. 2. The mortgage was $1,000 per month. 3. I rented it out for $1,600 per month. 4. After taxes and expenses, I made $400 per month in profit. Now imagine doing this 10 times. That's $4,000 a month in passive income. That's why rental properties are so powerful. The rent pays the mortgage, the property value goes up, and over time you build serious wealth. Section 2, flipping houses, fast cash strategy. Alright, next up, flipping houses. This is how you can make big profits fast if you're willing to put in some work. The idea is simple. 1. Find a cheap house that needs work. 2. Fix it up with renovations. 3. Sell it for a much higher price. I bought a house for $150,000. It needed work. I spent $40,000 on renovations, new kitchen, flooring, paint. I sold it for $250,000. My profit, $60,000 in just 6 months. Flipping isn't always easy and it takes money to get started, but if you learn how to find undervalued properties and work with contractors, you can make serious money flipping houses. Section 3, house hacking. Live for free. Let me introduce you to house hacking, one of the smartest real estate moves out there. House hacking is when you live in one part of a property and rent out the rest to cover your mortgage. That means you could live for free or even make money. I bought a duplex for $250,000. I lived in one unit, rented out the other. The rent covered my mortgage. I started with a small duplex. My tenant's rent covered my mortgage, so I lived for free. Instead of throwing money away on rent, I built equity in a property. A few years later, I moved out, rented my unit, and boom, I had another cash flowing rental. Section 4, real estate syndications, passive wealth building. Alright, now let's talk about real estate syndications. This is where you can invest in big properties without managing anything yourself. A real estate syndication is when investors pool their money together to buy large apartment buildings, commercial properties, or developments. You invest your money and a professional team does the work. I invested $50,000 in an apartment syndication. I earned 8% cash flow yearly equals $4,000 per year. After 5 years, property sold, I made $30,000 profit. This is one of my favorite strategies because you get passive income without the headaches of managing tenants or fixing toilets. It's perfect for investors who want hands-off real estate income. Section 5, short-term rentals, high cash flow strategy. Last but not least, short-term rentals like Airbnb. Instead of renting a property long-term, you rent it out by the night or week and charge higher rates. I bought a 3-bedroom home for $300,000. Instead of renting for $2,000 a month, I listed it on Airbnb. I made $4,500 per month in bookings. That's over double the income of a regular rental. But be warned, short-term rentals take more work because you have to manage bookings, guests, and cleaning. If done right though, this can be a goldmine. Mindset. How to get started. Now that you know my 5 real estate strategies, let me give you some quick advice on getting started. 1. Start small. You don't need millions. Begin with one rental, house hack, or small flip. 2. Learn the market. Study your city, property values, and trends. 3. Take action. Most people wait too long. Start investing, even if it's small. The point is the best time to invest in real estate was yesterday. The next best time is now. Alright guys, I just gave you the 5 real estate strategies that built my wealth. Now it's your turn. Which strategy do you want to try first? Drop a comment below. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because I've got more real estate millionaire secrets coming your way. Until next time, keep investing, keep growing, and I'll see you at the top.